Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to laminate an A4 piece of paper using a laminator. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a laminator, laminating sheets, and the paper we wish to laminate, so we can now connect the laminator to power This is now connected and turned on. It has to be turned on. Let's get laminating sheets. One is enough. And now the idea would be to bring the piece of paper you wish to laminate place into the sheet, and now wait for this to warm up, and now we can insert. And all the magic happens itself. We'll take some time, give it a minute or so. And so the lamination is now done. That really is amazing. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.